National flags are more than just pieces of fabric, they are powerful symbols that encapsulate a nation's history, values, and aspirations. The national flag of the Republic of Benin is no exception. Its design, steeped in rich symbolism, tells a story of a country's journey from its pre-colonial roots through periods of ideological change and, ultimately, to its contemporary democratic identity. This paper provides a detailed analysis of the flag's origins and its fascinating evolution, demonstrating how this visual emblem has reflected the political and social transformations of the nation once known as the Kingdom of Dahomey. The history of Benin's flag is inextricably linked to the region's pre-colonial past. Before the arrival of European powers, the area was dominated by the powerful and highly organized Kingdom of Dahomey. The kingdom, founded in the 17th century, had its own intricate system of royal standards and ceremonial regalia. These symbols were not flags in the modern sense but were potent representations of a ruler's power and lineage. For instance, the royal banners often featured totemic animals like the lion, a symbol of King Glele, or the shark, representing King Behanzin. These traditional symbols embodied the bravery, strength, and spiritual beliefs of the Fon people, serving as a visual identity for the kingdom's military and administrative authority. This rich heritage laid the cultural groundwork for the symbolism that would later be adopted in the national flag. The first significant change in the region's vexillological identity came with the French colonial conquest in the late 19th century. After decades of conflict, the French established the colony of Dahomey, which was integrated into French West Africa. During this period, the official flag of the territory became the French tricolor. The red, white, and blue vertical bands of the French flag replaced all existing native symbols in an official capacity, symbolizing the complete political and administrative control of the colonial power, while the Dahomeyans continued to use their traditional symbols in cultural contexts. The French flag was flown over all government buildings, schools, and military installations, marking a stark colonial interlude in the nation's history. The modern chapter of the flag's story began on November 16, 1959, just ahead of the country's independence. As the territory gained autonomy from France, a new flag was adopted to represent the self-governing Republic of Dahomey. This iconic design, which remains in use today, features two horizontal stripes of red and yellow, with a vertical green band on the hoist side. The chosen colors were more than arbitrary, they were a deliberate nod to Pan-Africanism and the rich resources of the land. The green stripe symbolizes hope and renewal, signifying the vibrant future of the newly independent nation. The red stripe represents courage and the blood shed by those who fought for the country's freedom. The yellow stripe stands for the wealth of the nation and the vast, golden savannas of the north. This flag was a powerful statement of self-determination, a symbol of a people reclaiming their identity and charting their own destiny. However, the flag's journey was far from over. In 1975, a political revolution transformed the country into the Marxist-Leninist People's Republic of Benin. The new regime, under President Mathieu Kérékou, saw the 1959 flag as a symbol of the past they sought to dismantle. It was replaced with a new flag featuring a solid green field with a red star in the upper left corner. The green was intended to represent hope and freedom, while the red star was a direct reference to the socialist ideology of the revolution. This flag marked a dramatic, 15-year period during which the nation pursued a new political path, and its visual identity reflected this profound shift. The final evolution of the flag came in 1990, following the collapse of the Marxist-Leninist regime and the country's transition to a multi-party democracy. In a significant act of historical and national restoration, the 1959 flag was readopted on August 1. This decision was a powerful statement, signifying a return to the foundational principles of the Republic of Benin and a rejection of the previous ideological era. The reinstated flag once again stood for hope, courage, and prosperity, serving as a unifying symbol for a nation recommitting itself to democratic values. The flag's journey is a microcosm of Benin's own. It began as an expression of a pre-colonial kingdom, endured a colonial period, reflected a brief ideological turn, and ultimately returned to its original, meaningful design, a testament to the nation's resilience and enduring spirit.